Today guys, we'll make milk fish today. So I need to try it guys. So you got to see so hot, so very hot guys. So guys, this is milk fish. I make it that one for dry fish guys. So I need to try in this one because it's so hot. It's nice. So this is my banana and that one also too. Dry fish, milk fish. Banana. The one, stay there.